Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Chronic poisoning. Chronic poisoning is referred to as phossy jaw. In phossy jaw is chronic osteomyelitis of mandible with multiple sinuses discharging foul-smelling fluid or pus. Here the disease is obsolete. Earlier, lucifer matches Earlier, Lucifer matches, if these Lucifer matches were there, these Lucifer matches will light when they are struck anywhere. Matches used to have white phosphorus in the tip, but now safety matches are used. These safety matches contain potassium chlorate and antimony sulfide. Side of the match contains red phosphorus with grounded glass or powdered glass which produces the light. Medico-legal importance. Medico-legal importance. If there is accidental
thank you and thank you for watching.